Okay, I've been trying this new auto stop repeatable limit switch right here. Once you get this thing set to 0 for a bend, it'll stay like that and it'll do it almost perfectly with just a magnet. It might take 3 or 4 times. You can practice within a bend that you're doing so you don't waste steel. But let's say, try not to waste steel right now, but let's say I want 45 degrees. I'm not accounting for spring back or anything. So 45 degrees. And this is 2-inch 120 wall. Should stop at 45 degrees. Let's zero this out. And this should be 45 degrees. So that's fairly close to 45 degrees. We're going to try another one. Let's go to 62 degrees. Right there. Okay. That's zeroed. 62 degrees. It's not perfect yet. Let's try 75 degrees. Right there. Okay. This should be 75 degrees. Still over a half degree off, but very close. Let's just do a 90 degree and give it just a barely bit more. Should be 90 degrees. $80, 89.5, half degree off. I don't know how close I'm going to be able to get this. But then of course, you can do the ultimate 180 degrees. Let's do 183 for spring back. 183, a little bit more. It should be 183. Still working on this. I'm over 2 degrees off. I don't know if I'll ever get this right, but maybe use this just for repeatable bends that you don't want to touch. I don't know. Close enough.